Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create Gmail account. If you want to create your Gmail account, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Gmail app, and here just tap on your profile icon. If you have already logged in, just tap on it, and here you just have to tap on add another account. Just tap on it, and here select Google, and now you just have to verify yourself. And after that, this interface will be appear. If you have already an Gmail account, so you just need to log in here. And if you want to create new ones, so just follow these steps. First, tap on create account, and then tap on for my personal use. And here you just have to enter your name. As you can see, I have entered. So now tap on next. And after that, here just select your date of birth. And now choose your gender. Then tap on next, and here you have to enter a Gmail account. So let's see how can we do it. You just have to enter a name. You can enter it. As you can see, I have entered something like this, and then enter some numbers, and then tap on next. And now you can see that username is taken, and it suggests you to Gmail account. So let's see. I'm going to choose this one, so just choose it and then tap on next. And here you just have to enter your password you want to create. As you can see, I have entered my password, so now tap on next. And after that, you have successfully created a Gmail account. Just tap on save, and then your password will be saved on your phone. And here you can see my Gmail account. Now tap on next. Now scroll down, tap on I agree. And that's done. You have successfully created a Gmail account on your phone. You can do it you can do it with same method on any Android phone or iOS phone. So that's how you can create your Gmail account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.